down in the car. One time give it all. Bust it open.
Welcome back to another day in Wild Upchat. The Hero Xpulse Rally Edition is an adventure on two wheels that everyone has been longing for since its release. The Rally Edition is ideal bike for people looking for a true adrenaline rush, thanks to its unique style and performance. The second servicing of Xpulse Rally Edition includes inspecting of the engine's various components such as cam chain tension, rocker arms, cam followers and so on. The spark plug and the engine cooling system are checked in the second stage. Spark plug must be replaced once a year. The engine cooling system must be checked on a regular basis to ensure optimal operation. During battery checkup, its voltage output must be more than 12.7 volts. By using a voltmeter, we can check the battery resistance. Keeping the chain and sprocket maintained is vital for performance. So to do that, first we need to check for wear and tear in the chain and then degrease it to remove all the dirt and the junk from it before lubricating it. Third step is to routinely check and lubricate the chain and the sprocket. Regular lubrication helps to reduce friction and wear tear. Finally, we are done with our second service of Hero Rally Edition. To ensure everything is running smooth, we are going for a quick test ride. We are ready for some more adventure ahead of us. That's all for today. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching Wild Upchat.